Hey y'all, welcome back to another hair review. Today we will be reviewing this unit, so stick around. So this unit was sent to me by Luvme Hair. It is a 5x5 body wave 20-inch Swiss lace wig. And as you can see, I did bleach my knots because I was going for a very natural look. It came in this box, and inside there's this Luvme Hair iridescent clear bag that you have seen before. So the hair feels really good. I love that the wig came with this adjustable band inside. This is a glueless wig, so you do not have to use any glue while wearing this wig. And though it came pre-plucked, I also did pluck the wig a little bit more because I was going for a very natural look. Because wigs don't always fit my head, I like to go ahead and use Gots to Be Glued gel, and that is what we're gonna do today. This is nothing new. You guys know that in all of my hair videos, I'm always using Got to Be Glued, so. And I decided not to wear a wig cap because I did not want to do the ball cap method, and I did not like the way the cap was looking, so my hair was already pulled to the back with the middle part, so I thought it would look more natural to just wear the wig without a wig cap. Even though I have bleached my knots, I usually like to go back in with my foundation powder and fill in the knots some more just in case there was anything that I missed. It just helps it give it a more natural part. The lace was pretty thin, but you know me, I gotta be, everything gotta be natural, so I had to bleach it. But as you can see, it blends very well. After I'm finished applying the Gots to Be gel, I then tie my hair down so that it can be flat, and then proceed to cutting out my baby hair. to always have a pressing comb. This pressing comb I actually ordered off of Amazon. I ordered it because it goes up to 500 degrees, and that's what I needed in order to make sure I could get the hair very, very flat. My previous hot comb was, I think it only went up to like 250 degrees, and that ain't it. So this one goes up to 500. It works even better, and as you can see, it does flatten the hair. So today I'm using my ISO Plus hairspray, and we are going for the barrel curl look, which will fall into a natural big curl look, big bouncy curl look. A pro about the hair is that it does feel really, really good. I've noticed that the hair is not frizzy, and that's all because of the quality of the texture of hair. I was able to wear this wig out to work twice, and on one of those days, it was a rainy day, and I did not have bad frizzing at all. So they got some cool points for that. Overall, I'll say that this wig is very pretty. It's more up my speed because my hair is pretty much the same color and my hair is long. So if I want to let my hair rest and I'm looking for a protective hairstyle, this would be my run-to wig. So I definitely can say this is some great hair. If you guys are interested in this wig, you guys can use my code and I will drop the link along with my code down into the description. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching another hair review on my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.